How to create a business page on your Facebook account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a Facebook business page on your Facebook. So first thing, simply head over to your Facebook application, and once you're inside Facebook application, simply click on the hamburger icon over here, and as you can see there is an option called pages. Simply click on it and you can see the option called create from the top left corner here, and once you click on it, and from here you can simply click on get started and simply give your page name like this, and simply click on next once you do that. And as you can see, it will ask you about the categories, and you can simply create it, or if you are selling a product or service, you can click on another icons options over here and simply describe your page like this, and simply click on continue and give yourself a nice profile picture, and simply click on next from by reading the information about your page. And there you go, you have successfully created your business page from your profile, your Facebook page. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.